Best deal is actually on Amazon for this product. They sell it in a 3-pack, and I keep buying it by 3s. It's your Batiste today. I'm probably saying it wrong. I apologize if you're not pronounced Batiste. The only other way I can come up with pronouncing it is Batiste. I'm sticking with Batiste all day. Would you like a tutorial on how you do it in your hair? Okay, here you go. You got it. Just because you asked for it. So all I do is spray it at my roots. As soon as they start feeling a little bit oily or dirty, that's all I do. And it smells good. Gives my hair a little lift. And it also has a little bit of a blonde tint to it. So you gotta be into that, which is why I recommended it for blondes and maybe not everyone. Okay, blonde tint goodness. Dry shampoo.